The next part of the section is on surface area. Now, surface area is the outer surface of a three-dimensional object. And even though this is dealing with a three-dimensional object, the measurement itself is only two-dimensional. And the example that I give is like wrapping paper. So wrapping paper is used to wrap a box, a present, which is a three-dimensional object. But the wrapping paper itself can be laid out flat, like a two-dimensional area. So question 11, we're asked to find the surface area of this box, which is called a rectangular solid. And our formula is 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. And what this is doing is it's actually finding the area of all 6 sides of this rectangular solid, and then it's just adding those areas up. So for this question, 2 times the length times the width would be 2 times 5 times 3, plus 2 times the length times the height would be 2 times 5 times 3, plus 2 times the width times the height would be 2 times 3 times 3. So this really is adding up all of the sides of this box. And we put the 2 here because we have 2 sides to account for. So the length times the width, this is giving us both the top and the bottom. So that's why we need the 2 here. The 2 times the length times the height, this is giving us the front and the back of the box. And then the 2 times the width times the height, this is giving us the left side and the right side. So if we figure out what this is, it's going to be 78. And it's 78 square centimeters.